If you can see it in your mind and have the courage to say it out loud, it will happen. Most people believe quietly. They hide it, protect it, never commit to it publicly. That's the difference. When belief becomes vocal, something activates. Reality responds. But don't fool yourself. The real enemy isn't outside. The real thief lives in your head, stealing promises before they ever become real. People laugh at manifesting because they don't understand it. Manifesting isn't imagination alone. It's knowing who you are, being clear about what you want, and dedicating your life to it with obsession. No safety net, no excuses. The people who make it are disciplined, ruthless with time, and committed to a path no one else can see. They call people like this crazy, delusional. But everything starts in imagination. Everything. Most don't understand the power of the mind. I don't fully understand it either, but I've seen it work. Years of planting thoughts, repeating them, and suddenly it's real. You look at your life and realize your mind built it. Through real wins and real losses, one thing becomes clear. When you look in the mirror and truly believe no one can beat you, everything changes. Preparation builds confidence. Confidence removes fear. Pressure stops mattering. Step by step, day by day, losing is not an identity. I don't lose, I win. That's the standard. Relax your body. Visualize your life exactly how you want it. Write it in the present tense. Read it daily. At first it feels fake, uncomfortable, but repetition builds belief. Change how you see yourself and you change who you become. You become what you think about. When you know where you're going, things move aside. Even in struggle, visualization keeps you alive. Seeing victory before it arrives brings it closer. Hard work pays off. People envy results, not the process. They want the view, not the climb. Your mind never shuts off. Change your thinking and your position changes. If you don't like where you are, think yourself out of it. Being realistic creates average lives. Decide and it's done. There is no opponent. It's you versus you. Confidence is earned through discomfort. Growth lives there. Success is the only response. Never do the bare minimum. Stay hard. While others sleep, you're building strength. It's not the action, it's the mentality. Greatness belongs to those who choose it daily. Ordinary people doing uncommon work. Someone wants your life. Let that drive you. Early mornings, relentless effort, discipline. Rest comes at the end. Stop hiding. Your toughest opponent is the mirror. Your hero is ahead of you. Why not be the best? Winners don't make excuses. Obsession makes you misunderstood. You'll be called crazy until it works. Then they'll call you a genius.